Today I'm deep cleaning my Dyson V8 because it was long overdue. I start by emptying the bin and taking everything apart, the bin, the filters and all the main parts. The motor never gets wet. That part only gets wiped down with a dry microfiber cloth. For everything else, I keep it simple. No soap and no cleaning products. The filters are the only parts that go under running water. I rinse them until the water runs clear, then set them aside to dry. For the cyclone and the inside parts, I use warm water on a microfiber cloth. For stubborn dirt, I use a small cleaning brush. Anything sticky or hard to reach, I carefully scrape off with a letter opener, especially in the thin gaps where dust builds up. Clean the brush head at the end once everything else is done. After everything is clean, I let all parts air dry for at least 24 hours. Nothing gets reassembled until it's completely dry. Once everything is dry, I put it all back together and it's ready to use again. I do this every few months or whenever the suction drops. It's a simple reset that keeps the vacuum working properly. Thank you so much for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.